Leon, welcome to a new video. I make content every day focused on video production, making money online, tutorials and business. So if those are your interests, then be sure to subscribe with the bell on. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to record your screen on iOS. So without wasting your time, I'm just going to jump into it. Okay everyone, so what you want to do is first is simply go to your settings app and then scroll down until you see the control center. Simply come to here, and as you can see, you got the option for screen recording, right? So there we are. You know what to do. Well, just come over here, and this is what it actually looks like when you obviously sort of want to add a bit more to your screen recording. So you can choose between apps like, I don't know, Telegram, TikTok. You got these options, and you also have the option to turn your microphone on. I would, but my microphone doesn't seem to work for some reason. But yeah, obviously just click stop recording or start recording. Obviously I'm recording, so just click stop recording after you, recorded, and yeah, it's pretty much that simple. Alright everyone, so that is how you record your screen on iOS. If this video was valuable to you, then be sure to subscribe with the bell on for more videos. Leave a thumbs up and share the video around to help it rank in search results and help the channel grow. And leave your questions or feedback down below, or pop me a message at leonofficial_17. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care everybody.